Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling coupled with storage on the bottom there, with your power liftgate and seat memory next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors your windows with the chrome accent handle there. And here we have these leather heated seats, super nice. Left side will be your vents with lighting control on the bottom. And left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, your trip info, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can choose to sign up for navigation, and as well as Spotify and Amazon Alexa. Down below with the auto stop, you're going to have your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports and an SD card reader for the navigation with a wireless charger pad. All-wheel drive and park assist as well. Your center console with 2 more USB ports. And the passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. Chrome accent across there. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. So you're gonna have these 18-inch aluminum wheels on Michelin Primacy Tour all-season tires with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Luggage side row up top, deep tint rear glass in the back. You got the black bow tie here with the chrome lettering. And you got the 60/40 rear folding split seats with hooks on the side, as well as extra wheel storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling storage thanks to the speaker. Power window with chrome accent. Open the back. You got pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, rear USB, and an AC wall port at the bottom. Cup holder and armrest are in the center with lamps and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier, equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.